Hi guys, I'm rebuilding this gearbox. It is an Ural 650 gearbox with reverse. And before starting to rebuild this gearbox, to change the bearings, the seals and other stuff, I have to rectify the bore here inside for the clutch bearing. Usually this bore is getting worn out because this is the system they created, and this edge of the bearing, it is cutting in the material of the gearbox at every push of the clutch. So I will show you what tool I have made in order to rectify this bore. As you can see, I have already started to rectify. This was the first test, but I will show you the tool. So as you can see, this is the boring tool. This is the cutter. This is a piece of speed steel which I took from a speed steel cutter. I have cut a piece and welded here. After that I have sharpened the cutter, and as you can see, it goes here in the gearbox, and it is aligned exactly through the center of the gearbox holes, because it is running through the bearings of the gearbox. And I'll take out the cover to show you the bearings. We can see the bearings in the gearbox. They are not the bearings of the gearbox. I had the luck to find these bearings that fit in the case of the gearbox, but also to have the same interior, 20 millimeters. I was also lucky to have this rod in my garage. I was keeping just as a material for any work, and this rod, it is cutted from a shock absorber. The shock absorber, it was from a car. I don't remember now, maybe a BMW, but this is not important. What is important, it is exactly 20 millimeter. It has a smooth surface. It is not worn out. This is a steel almost as hard as the speed steel. It is not hard as the speed steel, but it is quite close. So on the lid I have made a hole. Also I have put a thread inside, and I have made this cutter. These surfaces are made on the lathe in order to be clean and perfectly parallel, but this is a cutter just for testing this tool. In the future I will make another cutter here, and it will be adjustable. I just wanted to test this tool, and it is promising, and I will show you. So this is the clutch bearing, and we can see the play is quite big, and this is happening because when you push the clutch, is this force, as you can see, and it is tilting, and when it's tilting and pushing, it acts exactly like a cutter tool, and it takes the material. We can see this edge here. From here it is worn out. All the way. So what I am doing, we can see here the first millimeters which were rectified by me at the first test, and I'll go with this diameter until here. So I have attached an electric drill and I will start to rectify. So we can see some chips. And you can see it is starting to cut. So as you can see, I have doubled the surface, which was rectified. I have to continue till the end, but what I like the most is the fact that the surface it is smooth. I was expecting the surface to be a little rough, but it is quite good. So that means this operation to rectify it is okay.